27th, 2023, and it's the kickoff to the Disney 100 Years of Wonder celebration in honor of the 100th anniversary of the Walt Disney Company that was founded in 1923. And most of the celebrations today are taking place on the other coast in Disneyland. There's not a whole lot here in Walt Disney World so far, besides some new merchandise. Oop, that was a train. But I'm meeting up with a friend who's as big of a Disney fan as I am, and we're just gonna have our own little fun day here at Magic Kingdom, the first Disney park to be built on the East Coast, and have our own little mini celebration. So come on and join us. And here she is, my friend Promise Hope.
We are platinum. We're certified platinum.
Certified platinum.
We're celebrating 100, baby.
100. The first thing we'll do, I guess, is show you what Disney World does have. We're also approaching February, so we've got some Valentine's Day plushies. And how cute is that? I've shown you quite a bit of this already, the Disney 100 Years of Wonder merchandise, and they keep coming out with more. I'm actually wearing this one today, nice and cozy. I have this one with the Art Deco platinum look. I love the purple. So we'll show you more as we walk around the park today. This pillow is new to me. It's beautiful. I purchased this cup recently at Hollywood Studios when I saw it there too.
We created our own celebration.
100 years. Ooh, and a marching band. So Disney World has their own marching band, the Main Street Philharmonic, but they also feature high school marching bands, and today we have the Jamestown High School Marching Band. How fun!
It's Friday. These kids should be in school.
Should be in school.
What in the world? They get to have fun like us during the day?
Lucky. Special experience for your band to come and perform here at Walt Disney World. So I hope you all have a fantastic stay, and you did amazing.
So meet me down on Main Street. Please don't be late. Don't make me wait. Just meet me down on Main Street.
What is that crazy looking thing that is playing that sort of annoying high-pitched noise? And I tell them that's our tenor. And sometimes they'll ask us about these things. And these are the 100-year-old Deegan organ chimes. So this set is over 100 years old. We have 8 of them.
The Dapper Dans have been performing here at Magic Kingdom since 1971 and at Disneyland since 1959. If anything is a classic of Disney parks, it's the Barbershop Quartet, the Dapper Dans. Of course, Walt Disney World is celebrating its 50th anniversary, opened in 1971. That celebration ends at the end of March, but if you want to celebrate the history of Walt Disney World, Main Street Cinema has a really cool exhibit going on. They have old park tickets and odes to old attractions and the vault collection of merchandise. And if you came to Disney World as a kid or back in the day, this will be really nostalgic for you. Good old Mr. Toad. Mr. Toad's Wild Ride is one that I very, very much miss from here at Magic Kingdom. And you can still ride it over at Disneyland, so next time I go, and every time I go, this is like the first thing I run to. And I saw the other day at Hollywood Studios a bunch of Walt Disney World 25th anniversary merchandise out. It's like a retro line they've re-released with new things, and some of it is so cute and over the top. Of course, we had to stop and say hi to the partner statue, Walt Disney and Mickey Mouse, the heart and soul of the Walt Disney Company. Can't forget Roy, also Walt's brother. And look at the castle all decorated for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary. We're gonna start our day in Tomorrowland. 'cause it's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Line starts here. We're gonna get in line for the PeopleMover. So one thing Disney World has that Disneyland doesn't have is the PeopleMover.
Oh yeah, and we like to be people who are moved.
Yeah, we're gonna move and we're gonna people. And it's a really fun, classic Disney World. It has that like old school Disney feel to it, doesn't
And
it?
Jackie said that there's a new narration. I haven't got to see it, and we might get to check out the new Tron sign.
I'm very
Super
excited
pumped.
to see that. Yeah, they've installed the sign. We already have an opening date. We're very, very excited. So let's go people move.
Yes.
Welcome aboard. It's not on.
I have to move myself. I'm too lazy to move myself, Jackie.
We have to move ourselves. Thank you. This is the way to do it, facing forward.
Jet.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. The absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. From spacecraft to monster laughs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland. Your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny PeopleMover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak.
Ooh, they added in Tron Light Cycle Run into the audio of this ride. Look at the construction workers out there. There's a sign.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles.
exciting.
Thank you.
Looks great. It's almost time, promise. We're gonna enter the grid soon.
I know.
Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
By the way, it's a gorgeous day. The weather is just amazing. It's cool and sunny and bright.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter. Is the time. Now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow.
I love that.
See you in the future.
Thanks. So we've got Borak 5 as the new narrator on the PeopleMover. It's really cute, and they add in a few little jokes about like aliens and other planets and stuff, and yeah, it's fun. In the spirit of doing things that feel sort of classic Disney, we're gonna dine at the Plaza restaurant. This has been here since opening day here at Walt Disney World. They also have a Plaza restaurant over at Disneyland, and it's turn of the century themed. Thank you. Even the carpet's pretty. We have a gorgeous castle view. Let me show you.
I feel like we're doing like a update.
Oh yes, we're doing a news update.
News update.
Disney World news update. There is a celebration menu.
For the 100th. No, just kidding.
50 plus
50, 100. We made our own 100th celebration
Listen,
menu.
okay, we're thinking of the next level. I got the homestyle meatloaf. It's glazed with tomato sauce and served with mashed potatoes and seasonal vegetables. And Promise, what did you get here?
This is the Plaza Reuben.
Ooh, it looks good.
We both really like the theme in here, the pretty turn of the century and some of the Victorian touches in here. So we're just like very happy to be in the main dining room, all the gold fixtures and the light coming in from outside on this beautiful day. This is like, I think it's very fitting as a little mini anniversary celebration meal.
So the menu says tomato sauce, but that definitely looks and smells like ketchup, which is like my least favorite condiment. So I'm gonna do a little scoop. We'll make it work. All right, let's try them. Just some classic down home eating beans. So if you're like me and you don't like ketchup, make sure to ask for it without. But the mashed potatoes are so good. They're so like just soft and creamy. This tastes like a meal you would just, like a home cooked meal. And it's very soothing to the soul, right?
Yeah, it's like, it's home food, you know, and we're home.
Yeah. And this is really fun. It's 3 o'clock and Festival of Fantasy is going by and we get a parade view from in here. Oh. Can you see it? No, it's behind the umbrella. You can do it. That was so good, right, Promise?
Yes, annual pass holder discount, so that helped out a little bit.
That did help, yeah. It's definitely like a vibe in there.
Yeah, it's just a little sandwich shop, nothing to write home about, but we enjoyed both our meals.
Yeah, it was like cozy home meals.
Cozy with a view.
Yeah, so do we continue our celebration?
Yes, let's celebrate.
So we were talking about what we wanted to do here in Fantasyland, and immediately we both said Prince Charming's Regal Carousel. Well, actually, we just said the carousel, but riding a carousel, it's a forever classic. We gotta do it. If you look up at the top, the beautiful molds and scenes from Cinderella. It's like the old carnival feel, you know?
It is.
It's just fun.
We're like Walt's 2 daughters. He's watching us from away.
And saying to himself, gosh, I wish there could be a park where kids and adults could go together and have fun. I guess I'll invent Disneyland.
I'm beating you. I'm going faster.
I feel like
Now you're winning.
the carousel.
Everyone's a winner when you're on the spin.
You have like a little diamond. Yeah. That's pretty. They're so well maintained. They're so shiny. They're sparkling in the sun. And that was our ride. Off the horsey time. We wanted to do something a little different here in Frontierland, so we're gonna have a little play in the Frontierland Shootin' Arcade. This is an opening day attraction here at Magic Kingdom. And about a year or two, they changed it to free play, so you don't have to pay. So yeah, it's free play now. You just pick up and start playing. Let me show you what I've seen. I'm gonna go for fun. You just come up and just play for as long as you want. It's also cool because it's under shade, so if it's too hot or cold or raining outside, it's a nice place to go undercover. Well, Splash Mountain is now closed and they're already working on Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and this is really cool. They theme the construction walls. Southern Dome Salt Company. Very exciting. Please keep dry. That's funny because it's a log flume. And Louisiana, this is coming in 2024. The Splash Mountain signage is still up and a lot of the theming is still here, but surely that'll be coming down soon to make way for the Bayou Adventure. That was cute. That's 2 big construction projects going on at Magic Kingdom right now. Tron should be pretty much ready to go. It looks like the exterior area still needs a little bit of finishing touches before its opening date of April 4th. And then a huge re-theme here to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Very, very exciting. For our Adventureland adventure, it's gotta be the Enchanted Tiki Room. It's another opening day attraction. We're kind of doing some opening day classics today. The theming here is so cool, and the show, it makes me laugh every time, I tell you what. Oh, we're getting in the back of the pre-show.
Off in the distance comes the fierce roar of an African lion.
All right, let's see if we can get some good seats. You like the back row, right?
Oh, yeah.
We talked about this and we agreed. We both like the back row.
Back row only. You
But
gotta
like,
do
don't
it.
tell anyone, guys. It's our secret.
Yeah.
Only the back row. So we got this guy right here. We got the windows. And then, you know, if we take pictures or take little clips, it's not disturbing anyone behind us.
Yes! Let's put on the show.
Mon ami.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand. And I'll see you some scenery, because please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is.
Look, here come the girls.
It's a sing like the birdies sing. Sweet, 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 sweet.
Take your time from a musical duo.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating. But me buckos, every cloud has a silver line.
But we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happen here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
We have a wonderful magic trick
I
for
love
you.
this part.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear.
These guys weren't working for the show, none of them were, so it happens.
It's feeling chilly.
Ooh, it is. All right, promise, it's been a really fun day.
Hey, I've been so enthused today
Oh!
being here with you.
Hey, you know,
it was really fun.
I forgot to say too is that you and I are both Florida, like native Floridians.
We are the classic OG. We've been in
We're the
Florida for
OG.
100 years, I think.
So we grew up coming to Walt Disney World, right?
Yeah, we're Florida girls.
Yeah, we grew up in these parks, or coming to these parks, and there's a lot of like memories and history here.
Yeah, we care about it so much that we had to come and make up a celebration that
invented
isn't
it.
happening here. We made it happen.
It's been so fun
So
though.
fun. We'll come back when they drop more. We'll come
yeah.
back.
Oh yeah. And that's a wrap on our little friend mini celebration here. We just wanted to come out to Magic Kingdom, the first Walt Disney World park here in Florida, and just do a little mini something to celebrate 100 years of the Walt Disney Company. We're both big Disney fans, the movies, the music, the theme parks. We just love it. And we know there'll be more celebrations to come this year. Like the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World is wrapping up at the end of March. And with that will come the end of the current fireworks nighttime show here, Enchantment, and they'll bring back a version of Happily Ever After nighttime show for a little bit. And then over at Epcot, Harmonious is ending, and they're gonna have an Epcot Forever show, and then a brand new nighttime show that's gonna celebrate the 100th anniversary, and who knows what else is to come. So we'll keep our eyes out, and you know we'll both be bringing you new things going on in all of the parks. So just follow along and enjoy the ride. Thank you for hanging out with us today. We had a lovely time, and I hope that you did too. I'm sending you all a ton of love. I'll see you for the next video, and until then, as always, stay enthused. Bye!